What's up YouTube, it's your Aussie Mom and with the first video of the new year, and I thought I'd make it really cool. This is the best fake Cartier love bracelet unboxing you will ever see. Hey, remember the deal we made? So I ordered this off DH Gate and it was $18. It came with this little Cartier bag, a velvet Cartier dust bag, and then that is the actual box. You open it up, and I got a men's one in white gold, so there's the actual little bracelet and the screwdriver. When you take it out, you can read the engraving there. It's got Cartier and all the number and everything like that. I have it unscrewed at the moment so I can put it back on, but yeah, as you can see, it works just like an actual one. As I said, I got the white gold men's one. It comes in rose gold and yellow gold, and you can get them with the diamonds, but obviously they would be cubic zirconias, and I imagine that's when it would start to look really not so good. But yeah, for $18.88 delivered, I am absolutely in love with this. It looks so nice on. I just really like chunky style, man style jewelry, so I love that. And my little Pandora pinky ring that my mommy got me. So that's it as far as jewelry. Here's the other thing I got from DH Gate. I got the Too Faced I Want Candy palette. So this was $6. And it looks like that. I have swatched some of that. I'm not going to do them now. They're the colours, and it's actually really good. It's probably one of my favourite new palettes, but I'll quickly show you the other great stuff I got. So if you remember, I got the All Eyes on You eyeshadow. It was a Christmas release from Designer Brands, and it's absolutely fantastic, so you can see how much I've been getting into it. And so I also got, after Christmas, so it was meant to be $10 originally, but I got it for $5. The Fake It Till You Make It Perfecting It palette by Designer Brands, which has the so highlight, blush, bronze, and glow, and this is absolutely gorgeous. As we all know, I love Designer Brands. It's one of the few actually affordable Australian brands that works beautifully. And then for $5, I got this little set, the Kiss and Tell 5 matte lip colours. Whisper is actually what I used today, so it's not in there, but the colours line up like that. So there's a nude Whisper, a dark sort of berry called Crush, a red called Lust, a dark vampy called Kiss Me, and then a purple called Violet. And then I thought this was cute on the back. It gives you little instructions on how to do an ombre effect or a full clear lip gloss to the center. And then I just also got this little set of Color by TBN like lip crayons, and they just give like a really nice sheer wash, and I like putting that over the matte lipstick. Oh, I should have also mentioned that with the Cartier you also get your legitimacy certificate. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I've actually had people stop and go, "Oh my God, you got the Cartier," and I think it's funny. But anyway, and moving on to the last palette I got. So this is the same brand as I mentioned before, Color by TBN. I have seen them before, but like I have my brands that I like, and there's been so much coming out lately. But I just thought I'd show you. So this was on sale for $9.99, and then $5. Usually it was $15, and it's none of the color names are on here, but it's a sort of little festive face palette. It has 3 mattes and 4 shimmer eyeshadows, then a contour, a bronze, a blush, and a highlight. There's some festive colours in there, some nice grey, green colours. They don't have names, but once again, they seem to swatch out, and they are honestly some of the creamiest shadows I've used. So that is my lovely haul of new lovely little things. That is my lovely daughter. Oh, Harry, come and show everyone your earrings. Harriet went and got her ears pierced a few days ago. I thought you'd like to show everyone your earrings. Okay, no worries. Harry's not into showing them. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see my channel. And
thumbs up.
yes, let me know if
Seriously.
you think I'd like your channel. And let me know what videos you'd like to see next. Where's the earrings? Where's the earrings?
No.
Yeah. Okay, bye, guys.